getting them because they just come out of the water.
Okay.
Oh my Lord! Told you there's a whole bunch of them.
Yep. Should I turn the camera over by him?
Oh yeah.
Okay, we'll make it a fishing pole camera. Howdy, dudes. They're riding the pressure wave. I guess they wanted to cruise with the red whale today. Oh, here comes another one. They are definitely following right along. Good thing it's splashing my GoPro camera. Boy, they're right there too. I don't know if you can see them. Just holding the camera. Guess they're going the same way. There he is. He just came up for a breath. Okay, oh, he just came up for a breath. Big wave, and the Dolphins are jumping, and the storms are brewing behind us. There's one, he just comes swimming by. Whoa, getting my GoPro wet. That ain't gonna cut it. You know it?
You can hook it on the side.
What about right here? Oh, I think you might be right. What about right here? Okay. Can you see any dolphin on there? Turned? Turn, baby, turn. Like that?
Yeah.
Can you see him now? Can you see me now?
It's hard to see because it's dark. That storm's rolling.
Yeah.
Watch a big wave. Big wave.
Oh, jumping. Oh, nice jump. There's another nice jump. They're very jumpy. Okay, I see where I need to put the camera. A fancy GoPro mount here.